You'll be the. No, if she comes up the ladder, I'm just gonna fucking hide right here. Little bite. Right here.
I hate these birds.
Luke, I can't explain to you how much we were fucking laughing because we were up here and we just saw you fucking floating.
I saw you flying around. It was so funny.
Dude,
I just turn around and be like, oh, hey.
I thought you were
Wait, where
her
is
for
she
a
then?
second. I could see
Probably
the
killing
name tag.
Danny on that side.
Dude, we were over here
Dude, isn't
crouched
this
and we
such a
just
good-
saw you like flying. You need to do the wicked. Ah.